It's absolutely incredible when you think of what we can do today. There's no end to what we can do. And the only limit we've got is in our own mind. Anderson pointed that out in a great book, Three Magic Words. Some of you are familiar with it. And he said, when we fully realize that thought causes all, we'll know there's never any limits that we ourselves don't impose. We put the brakes on ourselves. We build the limits ourselves. And we don't have to do it. We don't have to. We can change it. Everything starts in your mind, in your own thinking. Now, if you're thinking, well, you haven't studied this long enough, don't think that. Don't think anything that will take you in any direction other than the one you want to go in. Just see yourself going where you want to go, doing what you want to do. Now, this may sound like I'm overly simplifying it, but you can't. It's in our own thinking. We want to get a picture in our mind of the world that we want to create for ourselves. Then go about creating it. Before I ever read that book, or met anyone that had done anything of any consequence with their life, I used to dream. I used to dream of a nice car, nice trip, nice clothes. I'd dream it, but it was so short-lived. And as soon as they come on, I'd reject them because I couldn't do that. I can't do that. I was into, I can't do this. I can't have this. I can't be that. I didn't even understand just how wrong I was. And it took some real serious work to change that. I'm studying a small piece of literature now. It's double-spaced. It's only 3.5 pages. Affirmative Power. I've been reading it, studying it, seriously studying it, every day for about 6 weeks. Because I've gained an understanding, if I keep studying the same thing over and over again, I'm going to start to see something that I didn't see before. That's how awareness is developed. All you need is awareness. That's all you need. Awareness is the whole deal. Our objective here in this life is to become aware of our oneness with this power, with spirit. We've got awesome power locked up within us. Yet this paradigm is holding us back. And we didn't even build it. So we're letting somebody else's thoughts that were passed along in the genes genetically, and then environmentally when we were children, we're letting those ideas control our life, control our health, our wealth, everything. I think it's time we quit doing that. Now look here. People set goals, they usually set an A-type goal. And that is because they know how to do it. They'll have a goal to get a car. They've had new cars off and on for years. They know how to do that. That's not a goal. Or they may graduate and they do something what they think they can do. I think I can do this. If this happens, if that happens. These are piddly little things, and it's not the way to go about a goal at all. You see, whatever your heart's desire is up here waiting for you. You name it and claim it. See, the fact that you can think it, it's there. Thought is the preamble to everything. If you can think it, you can do it. Now, religious leaders, philosophers have been telling us that for a long time, but I don't think we understood it. We've got to realize that thinking is the highest function that we're capable of. There's a power that's flowing to and through us. You can actually photograph this power leaving your body. It's energy. It's pure unadulterated spirit. And it has no direction. When it flows into our consciousness and we think, we're given a direction. Now, unfortunately, most people are in the habit of thinking the same way about the same things over and over again. What we want to do is stop. Say, I'm going to think differently about that. I'm going to think I can do it faster and then figure out how to do it. I'm going to think I can earn that much in a week and then figure out how to do it. I can earn more money in an hour now than I used to be able to earn in a year. Same guy, same mind, it's just that the awareness have changed. And as your awareness changes, your life changes. As your awareness changes, the vibration that you're in changes. Vibration is the law of the universe. The law of vibration decrees, everything moves, nothing rests. We literally live in an ocean of motion. That wall is moving right now. You say it doesn't look like it's moving to me. Get a microscope and go and look at it, and you'll see a mass of molecules dancing right before your eyes. Well, this instrument you're living in, this body, it's moving. It's moving so fast it appears to be still. But when this energy flows in, and we think that controls the vibration we're in. You think bad thoughts, you'll move into a bad vibration. Think good thoughts, you'll move into a good vibration. Now, whatever frequency you're on or whatever vibration you're in, it's going to dictate what you attract. Attraction is a secondary law. The primary law is vibration. Well, you can control the vibration you're in, and you just want to get in a good vibration, you're just going to attract nothing but good stuff to you. So you see yourself with what you want, you put yourself on that frequency when you do that. Everything operates on different frequencies.